To fix audio on Roblox Mobile. So let's get started with the tutorial. So the best effective method to fix audio is to simply check your device and app sound settings first of all. Make sure your device media volume is not muted or too low. Drag down the control center and turn on the speaker. And after that, all you have to do is simply tap on the three dot more icon at the bottom right, then scroll, tap on the settings. Inside settings, tap on the device preferences. Once you tap on the device preferences, all you have to do is scroll and tap on the volume option available there and make sure to drag the slider to the right hand side. Now, once done so, go back to the home screen and tap on the App Store or Google Play Store and search for the Roblox. And if there is an update option available right next to it, update it to the latest version. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.